Welcome to Edu ERP. In this video, we are going to have the demo. I'm providing the login details. To login, you can see the dashboard. In the dashboard, you can see the information related to number of students. This is the sample data, employees, course, sections. You can see view the student attendance, balance amount, fee collection, day wise, weekly, monthly, expenses without salaries, class wise students, employees details, hostel, transport, total vehicle drivers routes, salaries, how much you paid, all these things you can see. SMS history, if there is any SMS you have sent, that information you can see from here. Then master setup. I'm not going to explain each and every screen. It will take hours together. Okay, here you can do the setup like course, section, exam types. Okay, like from here you can add courses on your own. It is like a white page, whatever you want to add. Instead of class 5, you can add grade 5, something like that, whatever you want. Okay, sections, years, academic years, fee types. You can have different fee types. Education fee setup. Okay, subjects, you can have different types of subjects, different types of exams, different type of expenses. If you want to add any expenses, you can add any expense type. Payroll settings, hostel fee setup, the next one is transportation, vehicles, add, edit, delete vehicles, manage means you can do everything. Okay, this is the screen where you can enter all the details. Added vehicle details can be viewed here, and if you want to edit, delete, you can edit and delete. Many drivers, you can add, delete, edit the drivers from this screen. Manage routes, so you can add your vehicle routes like source, start time, end time, like that. Once you add, all the details will come here. You can see the driver details, start time, end time, vehicle number, from where to where, all those things you can see. Add bus fee, you can add the bus fee from here. Bus students, you can see the students, those who are using the transport facility. Okay, this is sample data, that is the reason you can see only one. Next one is hostel. You can do the hostel fee setup. We have done everything in the setup. Manage hostel, you can add the hostels. Okay, floors, rooms, beds, everything you can add from this screen. Then you can see the hostel students here. Available beds, you can see what are the beds are available. Okay, status right means bed is available. Cross means bed already assigned to someone. Add hostel grievance means if there are any issues in the hostel. Okay, we can add hostel complaints. Okay, I'm not explaining in detail because it takes a time. From here we can see the list of complaints. Next one is important, student management. You can add a student from here. Student registration number, joining date, class, section, all the details. Only star are mandatory, remaining are not mandatory. Okay, you can give your Aadhaar ID, email ID. Student also can log in. If you create a user ID and password for him, and once you enter the student details, course details, you can see the fee details. Fee details will be coming automatically. Then if you want to add scholarship information, you can add. If you want to assign hostel, you can assign hostel. If you want to add transport, you can add the transport. After that, you can add the guardian details. If you want to add local guardian also. Okay, generally we use it for the hostel. If they're staying in a hostel, we try to have the local guardian information. Okay, first name, all these details. We need the previous institute details. What is the previous institute? 1, 2. If you want, you can add alternate local address, fitness details, health related any information. If you want to capture in emergency, this will be useful. Manage students. We can view the list of students here. If you want to view full details, you can view full details. The photo will be coming here. You can see all the attendance, subject wise attendance, student marks, student fee, hostel information, scholarship, library, other achievements, complaints, everything we can see. Then add attendance. We can capture the attendance of the student. In view attendance, we can view the attendance of the student. If you want to give ID cards information, we can give. Upload students, we can upload the students in a bulk through Excel. So for the first time, we can upload the students in a bulk. Inactive students, we can see all the inactive students. And profile update request, this is advanced module. Like student can log in to their portal and they can request for the information update. Then it will come to admin will update the data after verifying. Student versus group, we can add the students into different groups. This will be very useful for international schools. In some time, a student will go to one sport, other students will go to swimming pool, something like that. In that case, we can use this for different timetable. Promote student, this promote student will be useful for the promoting students from grade 1 to grade 2 or class 1 to class 2. Next one is HRMS. This is one of the best module what we are having. Manage designation, we can have different types of designations, we can have different types of department, we can add the employee, all the employee details we can add, and education details, experience details, bank details, family details, everything we can have. Many students, here we can see, employees, we can see all the employees details here. If you want to edit, you can edit. If you want to view their profile, Okay, you can see the employee information, education details, family details, all the details you can see here. Okay, attendance, you can see employee salary, you can see library achievement, action taken here. If he has taken any action against any complaints, we can see all the information. Assign subjects, we can see you can assign subjects from here. Okay, uh, inactivated employees, if you inactivate any employees, so you can see if they're living in the middle of the year or after completion of 1 or 2 years, we can have all the information. Add attendance, we can capture the attendance for the employee. View attendance, we can view the attendance. Okay, by default all are present. Whoever is absent, you can make them absent and you can provide the remarks. After that you can save. You can view the attendance for 1 day or multiple days also. We are having one of the best leave management. We can have different add leave types. We can set the leave count and you can manage the leaves also. We are having some edu special modules which we are not showing here. They are unique, so you please come for a demo. We will give the personalized demo at free of cost. Then accounts, we can do the education fee setup, collect the fee, we can collect the fees, expenses and pay salaries, send fee due SMS. From here we can send the fee due SMS. You can see the income report, expenditure report. Okay, balance. Let me show how to collect a fee. You need to select the student. Okay, payment history, you can see the payment history, and if you want to generate a report, you can generate a report from here. And if you want to collect the payment, you can collect the payment. If you want to give any discount, you can give the discount. After providing the details, you can click on the save and make a new payment from here. If you want to edit any payment, you can edit. Pay salaries. I'm not going to explain anything. Send a few due SMS. Since it is important, I'm sending all the few due students will come here. We can select. If you want to uncheck anyone, we can uncheck and we can send the message. We can have the income report, expenditure report, balance. Syllabus. We can add the syllabus, view the syllabus. From here we can add the syllabus and we can view the syllabus. Okay, other features will be shown in the part 2. Since the video length is already more than 16 minutes, I'll be having the separate video for the part 2. Thank you.